In this problem, we will find the function f of x such that for every real number x, we have f of x plus 2f of 1 minus x is equal to 3x minus 2. So how we will do it? The first thing is we will try to plug here 1 minus x to get the second equality. So we will do like this: f of 1 minus x plus 2 f of here. For x we have 1 minus x. So here we will have 1 minus x. And this is the trick, since this number will be just x, and we will have the second equation to make an elimination. So here we will have is equal to 3, and x here will be 1 minus x, because here we started with 1 minus x, minus 2. Now here f of 1 minus x plus 2 f of here 1 minus x, developing we will have 1 minus 1, which is 0, plus x, because 1 minus with minus is plus. So here we will have x, because 1 will just cancel, is equal to, of course, 3 times 1 minus x is 3 minus 3x, 3 minus 3x, of course, minus 2. Of course, we will have f of 1 minus x plus 2 f of x is equal to, here 3 minus 2 is just 1 minus 3x. Now we have gained our second equation, so we will write it just here. So we have f of 1 minus x plus 2 f of x is equal to 1 minus 3x. 1 minus 3x. Now we will do an elimination. We will eliminate f of 1 minus x to have our f of x. Now we will try to get rid of this term, f of 1 minus x, of course, by elimination. So for that we will multiply this equation by 2. We will have 2 f of 1 minus x plus here 2 times 2, 4 f of x is equal to, here we multiply by 2, 2 times 1, 2, minus, and 2 times 3x, 6x. And now we will make the difference between those two equations term to term in order to get rid of this term. So this term minus this one, this term will just disappear. We will have 4f of x minus f of x. 4f of x minus f of x, because this term will just disappear, equals to here 2 minus 6x, this term, minus this one, minus 3x minus 2. Of course, here we will have 3f of x. 3f of x is equal to, and here 2 minus 6x, of course, minus 3x, and plus 2. From here we have 3f of x. 3f of x is equal to, here we have 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 2 plus 2, minus 6x minus 3x, minus of course 9x. And the final step is just to divide by 3. So we will have f of x is equal to, we divide by 3, so 4 over 3 minus 9x over 3 is of course 3x. And of course this is our function. And this of course concludes our problem.